Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you a portfolio website built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I'm going to talk about the website. I'm going to explain everything. I will go through the website and show you everything. So as you can see, this is a portfolio website. So this is a free website and I will provide the source code in GitHub. You can use this website in your resume, social media accounts such as LinkedIn. You can use this website in your dynamic course and show this website as a project. You can also show this website as a portfolio project. So now you can see the name Alex Mercer. So you can use your own name, and here we can see the nav items about projects, skills, experience, contact, and here you can see available for new projects: full stack developer, product designer, based in New York, and description about the designer. So if I click on view my work, it is showing me the projects I am proud of. And if I click on get in touch, you can contact the person, and contact us is here, and you can see a send message button. This is the about me section. So you can see here all experience, projects, happy clients. The projects that I am proud of, all the projects are listed. And what I work with. This is the experience section. So you can see the person's experience, and you can change if you want. You can simply edit the website, such as you can change the name and you can give your own name. Now let's check whether the website is mobile friendly or not. Now let's check whether it is responsive or not. So I'll just right click and inspect. You can see it is working. Now let's check in iPad.